The Newmar Supreme Aire isn't just another motorhome. It's a statement of power, engineering, and high-end road luxury. Designed for travelers who want the durability of a Super C RV combined with the comfort and refinement of a premium diesel coach, this model stands out as one of the most capable motorhomes of 2026. From the outside, the Supreme Aire commands attention. Built on the Freightliner Cascadia chassis, it offers a rugged stance, aerodynamic front cap design, integrated LED lighting, and high-gloss full-body paint that feels closer to aviation than automotive design. It's imposing, bold, and elegant, the kind of motorhome that makes you stop and stare. Step inside, and everything changes from rugged to refined. The interior is built with precision craftsmanship, hardwood cabinetry, polished countertops, ambient lighting, and premium upholstery. The living area feels like a high-end penthouse, featuring spacious slide-outs, theater seating, and smart TV entertainment options. The kitchen is fully equipped for long-term luxury travel, offering residential-style appliances, solid surface counters, induction cooking, and high-capacity refrigerators. Whether you're making coffee on a mountain sunrise or a full family dinner, the Supreme Aire is designed to keep you comfortable. The master suite includes a premium mattress, wardrobe storage, a smart multimedia system, and climate control features that adjust automatically. And the bathroom feels spa-inspired, with a glass shower, premium ventilation, and high-end fixtures that rival luxury homes. On the road, the Supreme Aire shines. The Freightliner platform provides smooth handling, advanced suspension, and exceptional towing capacity. Features like lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree camera views make long-distance driving not just manageable, but enjoyable. Whether you're crossing states, exploring remote regions, or living full-time, the Newmar Supreme Aire blends durability. Why?